guys, so today I am here with my little brother and we're going to be showing our fidgets. So make sure to subscribe and like and hit the bell and join my group, My Place 12. So, the noisy one. And then we have 2 pink pockets. That's really loud. And then we've got this bracelet. I'll just click on, but it takes a while. And then we've got this poppet ball. It's very rare. Then we have got this 2 infinity cubes. And then we have got 1 broken infinity cube. So we've got this infinity cube and this old infinity cube. Well, it's just broken apart. But it doesn't matter because it's really cool still. So, and then we have got this octopus, 2 of them. We have got a lot of mochis. I'm just getting them all in my box. It's really hard to find them. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all of them. So we've got this seal, this cat, this pink cat, and a yellow cat, a cloud, a camel, I'm pretty sure, and this octopus. Oh, okay, so Ollie's going to save the world now. Go on then. And then I don't think people know what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's like ultra rare or legendary. I'm not that sure. I'd assume legendary, since it's kind of cool. I've only got it today. Then we've got another bracelet. Oh, and this is my new room. There is lights up there, if you can see in the mirror. And then we've got some monkey noodles. And I would like to see your fidgets as well. So if the comments are on, maybe if you would like to show. And then we have got a million pot tubes. I don't know where they all are, but this is some of them. This does go to, that's in the wrong box, this. So, yeah, sorry, I keep dropping things. How many fidgets I have? So I'll put those together in there. We have a...
Oh yeah, I'm back.
Okay, we have this unicorn dimple. And I know this isn't the most interesting, but I will, wait, did I just say dimple in the last one? But if you don't know the names, then this will help. Okay, so this is a unicorn squishy. I think these are wacky traps. I'm not for sure. I know what these are. Red. Marble mashers, another monkey noodle, another bracelet, one of my favourite fidgets, snapper, and some rings. And then we have got a Harry Potter squishy.
I'd go.
Okay. Another tangler. I don't actually know what this is. I'm pretty sure you just put it, I mean, it's like kind of squishy, but if you put it on your finger, it's basically like a monkey noodle, kind of. So now I'm going to check this drawer because I know there's some things in here. Oh, is that my badge from school? Anyway. So we have got a puzzle ball. I'm just going to start putting things in there. A squishy what I got for my birthday from my cousin. I'm not... Okay, I'll do it anyway. Green puppet. I think I might need to count this as a one of... I think these are the Jimbos. So let's put that in there. I'm trying to do the Fidgets. I found my pen. Okay, sorry. Now, whenever I record YouTube videos on Roblox, you don't have to see my fingers. We've got... What is this called? I know it's like a puzzle, but I forgot what it's called. Another rectangular. I would count this as a fidget because it like makes noise and it feels really good. This is still a fidget. I don't know. It came in my fidget box. What I ordered. And these men things. And we've got a broken slinky. So that's 2 done. No, I'll just put everything in there actually. I keep changing my mind. That was so heavy. Okay, so as you've already seen, this one, my one of the favourite ones. It feels so nice, and you can just like, if you do this, Spider-Man's there, you can let me try squeeze the thing out of it. Yeah. So that's one of my top favourites. I don't really like the jumbo one. It's too big. So then we've got, well, I think this was a jumbo, but I think this might. So I'm going to say a medium. Wouldn't a medium be this then? Okay, I'm just going to say a large then. Global. It brings out dough. Then we've got some, well, a lot. What are they called? Go balls. I need to cover my mouth. Just because nothing dangerous or anything. I don't know. Okay, back to the video. Hi, Spider-Man. So we've got this purple. Oh, now what's the name to this? Comment down below what this name is. And then it turns pink to purple. Then we have got, so the other day I found a unicorn, but it was very sick. It literally was pooing it. Well, not pooing, like it ate something weird and he was sick. Squishy. This is for the flamingo. So those will probably go together. And that's all of them. It's like a jumbo one. Right, so we've got 2 more, but we'll do...
Now, you gotta figure out this.
Oh, okay. Spider-Man's gave me a challenge. I can normally complete these, okay. Oh yeah, I don't know how to do that then. Where's the blue there? This should be easy. There.
Now you gotta figure this out.
Oh yeah, I do not know how to do that one. But, where's the orange there? He hasn't put it that tricky. I've already sorted like a couple of them. That goes there, turn that round. That's go there, that's go there, that's go there. And now, blue goes there.
Teleport. This. A brown.
Pink would go there, and you put a hole there, and you put that there, and you put that there. And I am done. Oh no, that is just because that ring fell off. I thought I was incorrect. But anyway, back to the video. We've got a planet dimple. Right, and then we've got a
Just in the way.
a octopus puppet. Sorry, I'm trying to place them in my chair. A fidget spinner, well, a puppet fidget spinner, gold. I have got those fidget spinners. A face one. Let's have a look. What mood are you in today? And you can pop it at the same time. Now, one, I actually love these. So we've got an avocado. These all came in a pack, and I did not know that. So an avocado, strawberry, and a pineapple. Oh. Then we have got, I have got more dimples, but I'm letting people use them. So we've got this rubber one. We've got a pop
I've already painted this one.
And this is broken.
So now we can put that back. Can I please have this? Ollie, it's not broken. I'm putting a key ring in it, so I broke it. Now, my best friend's dog put a hole in this. And I still like it though. It's still satisfying. Then we have got a dimple. This was my first.
I did with a cake.
This was my, wait, no, not first, but probably like my third ever fidget, what I absolutely loved. Sorry, my nose is really itchy. So this is the one what I got from holiday a long time ago. I really like it. Then my best friend's nan got us this. You can take them apart, but I'm not going to do that for now. Okay. I need to give these boxes a clean. They are brand new. Then we've got this fidget spinner.
I can't move the doors.
And the last box, and then you can end this video if you wanted to. I will be making more videos now in my bedroom setup. Sorry if you didn't hear me. Oh, where's it all together? Okay, I'm trying to. There it is. I have got another one, but I've got a notepad book and a star pencil. Okay. Oh, last one. Oh, my Okay. So I'm just gonna put it there. So we've got this board game. I absolutely love this one. Here, the pop's ready. If you can, let me pop some more before I thingy. So this is the bad side. Well, not so bad, but the front side. What it basically doesn't pop that good as the back. Okay, still good. And then when you pop, lay it down. And there is a big ones in this one. That's why I love it so much. Last two. And ready, ASMR. And then the big ones. Okay, so I'm going to put those there so you can start seeing them. Now this one, I found it in my garden. But that's why it's dirty. This was my first ever puppet. Now some slime has fell on some of these. That's why they have all that on it. Because the slime has dried off. But let me try and get some off before I show you. Alright, so that is some. Oh, you can't really that much see it. Hold on, let me try and find a spot. I don't know. Maybe you can't see it, I don't know. But that's... Oh, I just got this one today. It pops really good. Ready? Oh, I love it. So, I've got the same as my best friend now. I'm supposed to have 3 jumbo fidgets, but the butterfly one is somewhere in the... Since we've just moved houses, it will be somewhere in the loft, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, we've got this mini flower green puppet. Another square. Now, I do have more puppets, but I've already showed you some, and there's some hiding somewhere. So, I've got this broken frog one. I'm planning to take this hole out since it's really broke and put a keyring in there. And then we've got this yacht, I don't know what. I think a yacht is a boat. And then I've got this from my birthday. A purse. It pops really good. It's just that it's kind of hard to pop them since it's small. But when you do, it sounds really good. Now, I've had this one for a long time, and so has the other one, but it's from my holiday. You know when I showed you my cupcake? That's when I also got this one. And the one what I got from like a year, my last birthday, not my birthday that I've just had. This, I can't tell if it's a cat or a devil. I think it might be a cat now. I used to think it was a devil. But I don't know. And then we've got a Yoda puppet. If I'm honest, the pops are kind of good. I just don't really pop it a lot because it's always at the back. So, I'm pretty sure that is, well, nearly all my fidgets, but we're gonna just end it there because now I need to clean my room because all the fidgets have got everywhere and stuff. But make sure you subscribe and like and hit the bell, and maybe I will start posting way more fun challenges and stuff. I used to, in my old bedroom, post like last to leave the bed, last to leave the chair, this chair, being handcuffed, and loads of stuff. But no, I can still do the same. I've just got a little bit smaller bedroom. So I'm going to end it now, and hope you enjoyed. So, bye!